Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to recover deleted CapCut projects. So let's get started. If you are new in a CapCut application and accidentally you delete one of your projects, you can recover. So make sure you log in into CapCut account. If you don't have, you can create your own account. After that, you can use this space as your backup, so you can recover this file from a PC version or vice versa. That's the important thing. Without using third party, make sure you back up the file. So if you don't have or if you not yet back up your projects, you can use third party. You can search in the Play Store like a file recover application, for example, any recover. You can use this and recover data recovery, and there's a lot of application that you can use to recover your file. All deleted file can you can get back if you use the third-party application, but use with your own risk. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the button below. See you in the next video.